the demonstration of the tool that they have developed. Kyle?
Cool. Thank you for the introductions, Nilu and Blaine. I'm going to start sharing my screen here in just a second, and then we'll start walking through the presentation. Okay. Cool. Oh, danced one too early. All right. So thanks for joining us all here today for this overview and walkthrough on the United States Department of Transportation's J2735 map message creation tool. So I'm going to start off with a brief overview of the contents of this presentation. We're going to do a quick look at the basic concept of a map message and its kind of structures to foster a common understanding of what we're talking about, as well as a little bit of information about the map tool itself. Then I plan to go through a walkthrough of the map tool user interface to kind of explain all of the different elements so that there's no surprises when you're interacting with it. And then I will do a live demonstration of creating a map message start to finish for one of the very simple intersections we have here at Turner. It should show the whole process from picking the location to ending with a full map message. And then I would like to kind of showcase the difference between that finalized map message and a much more complicated message that was built with the tool for an intersection in New York City. And then there's a walkthrough of the encoder tool that's built into the map tool we have, and a little bit of a showcase of the message validator tool to make sure that once you've got everything generated that it is in fact valid before you go ahead and do anything with that message. So to begin getting into things, a little bit about me. My name is Kyle Rush. I'm a software developer for Leidos. I work on contract at the Saxton Transportation Operations Laboratory, or the STOL, for the Federal Highway Administration. A lot of my work here is in the connected automated vehicle space, dealing with map messages and other DSRC messages on the regular. So about the tool in particular, it's a USDOT funded tool and developed under a USDOT program. It facilitates the creation of SAE J2735 map messages via a web application interface, and it's currently available for use by any interested parties. You don't have to register for an account. There's no approval process, although we do recommend that you sign up for an account with our ticket support system so that you can submit any issues that you might encounter. And the tool is currently under development and enhancement at the STOL. Digging into map messages a bit, they describe the physical layout of an intersection or stretch of roadway in a digital form for broadcast by roadside units and consumption by vehicles or other data consumers. In this use case, we're primarily concerned about their intersection capabilities. So we'll be looking at things like lanes and stop bars, crosswalks, how these different movements in different lanes map to signal groups, and the different kinds of maneuvers that are allowed at each lane in the intersection. These lanes and other objects in the message are built out of point segments connected by straight lines, so we're not dealing with curves in this case or anything of that like. And they're used by connected vehicles and connected automated vehicles for safety critical and non-safety critical applications. And the messages we'll be dealing with are standardized by SAE J2735, specifically the 2016 revision of the standard. The map tool provides a simple web application user interface for the construction of these map messages by drawing the associated geometry onto satellite or hybrid imagery map tiles. So you get a pretty good visual view as you're building the map message that you want to be broadcasting. It allows for the configuration of all the various data fields associated with these lanes and specifies their units, their minimum max values, and has descriptions to help you figure out where you should be putting your data. It's able to generate the actual binary output for broadcast at a roadside unit with their store and repeat functionality. And the tool is available at the URL you see on the slide, and the support system is available at that URL as well.